Right, just is where the loud house will start the video. Okay. I am 100% going to sleep at my mama's room. Yes. Pag 7 p.m. ayaw na turn off ay banging. Pag may the microphone makawambling. It's over, huh? I made a video. Okay. It's over. Not my predictions, huh? Kung whatever naman mag-video, okay, 6 to 7 p.m. chance na makasummon. Tapos si JB the Singing Hunter na mag-magic spell. Unta, di ako makahilin sa Crying Girls na bitch ba. Unta, number 1, di ako ma-watch. Di ako mauyag in fear. Ay manak na uyag. 3, tulad na yung music na made ako ang gabi ba Nicole. Kalapasta nga. 4, mauyagak ML kung made ako tapos. And 5, live stream ko. Good. So yeah, good luck.